drivers, please stand behind the lines. This match starts in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Qualification match number 80 officially underway. 1, 2, 3 notes scored for the Red Alliance over on blue. Looking to do the same, goes in the Bucksport in and out of that amp. 3467 grabbing a note from the middle line and sinking it back into the speaker. We're 34-24 in favor of the Red Alliance as we move into our teleoperated period. Robots come alive and students take control. First over to the amp is 6329, the Bucks Wrath, sinking in one of those notes for the Blue Alliance. Their partners, the Technonuts, doing the same right behind, getting them locked and loaded in hopes of amplification. In goes one for Bucks Wrath with 6731, trying to take advantage of the amplification over on blue. Back on the Red Alliance, they are also amplified. 9101 seems to be lining up their shot and getting ready to rock and roll, taking advantage of that amplification and just missing out. Their partners, the Wyndham Windup, trying to shoot right behind them as Walpole shoots one into the amplifier, trying to get one and in. Wyndham Windup picking up their rebound and sinking it back into the amplifier for the Red Alliance. Back over on blue, 155, the Technonuts sinking it in. Blue Alliance currently amplified. Can they capitalize on this to hope and short the lead of the Red Alliance? One goes in for the Bucks Wrath. Only 10 points separate these two teams with a little over a minute left to go. 6329 launching a note across the field to hopefully shorten those cycle times for blue. 3467 grabbing one of those empty notes over in front of the Blue Alliance speaker and quickly returning it over for red. Red Alliance continuing to cycle back and forth as best they can to try to get those amplification notes scored and go. 1153 and Wyndham Windup in tandem, launching a couple notes into that amplified speaker. We are 80-55 in favor of red. Winding down this match in our final 40 seconds. 9101 crash bang boom into 6731 over underneath the Blue Alliance stage. Blue Alliance currently amplified, hoping to shrink their lead. Only 3 amplified notes can separate these two teams for now. Red Alliance looking to extend their lead. Wyndham Windup lining themselves over at the amplifier and dropping one in as their partners 1153 lining up on stage. That guitar riff means it's down to our final 20 seconds. Teams are going to switch their focus to the end game. Human players coming alive. 9101 getting one more note in. 1, 2 robots up for red, 1 robot up for blue. Let's see if the human players can make the difference as time expires. Scores for qualification match number 8. We got your scores for match 80 coming up on the board. Taking home the checkered flag is going to be the Red Alliance. Walking home with a win of 105 points to Blue Alliance 81. 4 RP walking home with the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance not going home empty-handed. They get one of those RP for the Melody. 1153 moves up into 5th.